Hi, this is Wayne Jones at Toyota of Maryville. We've got the best used vehicles around. Let me tell you why. One of the reasons you should purchase a certified Toyota is because all the certified Toyotas go through a 160-point inspection to be reconditioned to be like new. This includes inspecting the tires and brake pads of the vehicle to ensure they meet Toyota's standards for safety and performance. If they do not, they're replaced with new components. Toyota vehicles are also free of all cosmetic blemishes, such as dents and scratches, to make them look as good as new. Every certified Toyota is also detailed inside and out to make sure it looks as good as new before it even reaches the sales lot. One of the main benefits of a certified Toyota is the warranty coverage that comes with it. It comes with a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, and also a year of complimentary roadside assistance. No certified vehicle will ever have more than 75,000 miles on it, and they're all eligible for new car financing rates through Toyota Financial Services. So if you're looking for new car quality without the new car price, then come down to Toyota of Maryville and check out our huge selection of certified Toyotas.